Step 1. Understand the AI's purpose and capabilities. Determine if the AI is for conversation, image generation, etc. Step 2. Define clear objectives for your prompt. Be specific about the desired outcome or response. Step 3. Use precise language. Avoid ambiguity to ensure accurate results. Step 4. Include context if necessary. Provide background information when needed. Step 5. Experiment with various structures. Try different phrasings to optimize responses. Step 6. Test and refine your prompts. Iterate to improve effectiveness. Step 7. Learn from community examples. Explore forums for inspiration and techniques. Step 8. Keep it concise and focused. Limit unnecessary details to maintain clarity. Step 9. Use examples to illustrate your point. Provide sample inputs for clarity. Step 10. Review and finalize the prompt. Check for errors and ensure alignment with objectives.